What are we going to talk about today on this video? Yeah, I think you know. We've got some puckers here. There's some puckers in this entire room. I've got the carpet guy here, and he's going to re-stretch and tighten up this room. If you want to watch that, that's what this video is all about. Now, obviously, the first step you got to do is you got to pull this carpet off of the tack strip, and that's what he's doing right now. And in certain areas, you got to use your pliers. He just got a little pair of regular pliers. That's it. Once you get it started up at an inside corner, if you or you pull one of these registers out, you can reach in there and pull. This is just pulling up off the tack strip. And see, he's got to do that in order to stretch this entire room out. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. We'll take a look at the tack strip in a minute. Do you have to take the doors out? Nah.
No.
Nah, you don't have to take doors out. He's just going to have to work at it back and forth. And he's got a power stretcher I'm anxious to see in this container right here.
See, this is a wood floor under here. We are talking about that, remember?
Yeah.
And then it's over there where that crease is, where the concrete is, I'm sure of it. Right there is concrete,
You think?
part of the foundation. Yeah.
I don't know.
There'd
Well,
be
I guess
concrete under these walls.
Well, I don't know. It might be wood, I think. We'll see.
I'm going to probably pull this up and try to stretch it, and when I pull it, we'll find out. But
Yeah.
I think that's where concrete is. You can feel concrete and hollow,
Okay.
but that's a height difference.
Uh-huh.
That little wrinkle.
Okay.
That I noticed, you didn't notice
Well, you might have to,
when we first
you might
started.
still have to pull it back to here to get that. Well, maybe not.
No.
Maybe
well,
not. You might just be able to stretch from here that way
Hopefully.
without taking this section up, huh?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't think that needs to come up.
Yeah. We'll see.
But I got two stretchers we're going to go across this with.
Okay.
We'll double up this. If one stretcher's good, two's better, huh? We got $1,000 in stretchers, man.
Oh wow.
You're just doing this room.
He's got to pull. He's got to pull it up about to there, and that'll help take that pucker out right there. That's what you call these things in the carpet, puckers, right?
Yeah, pucker, wrinkles.
Wrinkles, puckers. You see anything, a wrinkle like this? Before he started, that wrinkle was almost that big right there. Oh, and this, Dan, this was the spot where they had a treadmill. Remember I was saying, right in here, the carpet pad might be damaged right there, and I was hoping that you could just briefly pull this carpet up just to this point.
Oh, that's that spot you were talking about?
Yeah, and we'll see what the carpet pad looks like there. And I think he has some carpet pad. He may have to maybe cut out and do a couple little patches of carpet pad there. I don't know. We'll see here.
Let's see what's going on. There we go.
We weren't quite sure what kind.
Right here, see this?
Yeah.
And there's your pad. It's nothing worth.
Okay.
This is a really good pad.
Yeah. It's just it's pushed and
Dimpled.
messed up the action back. And how does that other piece feel? Right there. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's fine. You can feel it's dimpled.
Yeah, it's
But
dimpled
it's
a little
not
bit.
something I don't think.
Okay. Maybe you can, you know, it's probably all right.
I'm gonna put a new piece of pad, but I don't think you'll notice this.
Okay.
What the problem is that the backing's dimple.
Yeah.
Remember I was telling you about that dry ice? This is what you're tight.
Oh, okay, right there.
Dry ice.
Okay.
Similar to the heated up idea, right?
Right.
Huh?
Right.
Good, you got it right.
Yeah, we were talking about, you know, these areas where old furniture used to be.
There's a video, popping video right there, man.
I know.
A lot of people want to know how to get those out.
I know. Look at all these little holes. But we're going to put another sectional unit here, so lots of these are going to go away. But our furniture is not going to be exactly in the same location as the last person's, and lots of these dimples will relax later after you move your furniture and stuff. But some types of carpet, this type with the level loop, it's not going to relax like cut pile, is it? As much. The carpet guy suggested to us to clean the carpets first and let the carpet relax 2 or 3 weeks before he came back to do the repairs. And that's what we've done. And you can see where we still have all those marks everywhere. So that's going to be another video thought, that we take something and try to bring this back up. We could do the same thing over here as what he was talking about. That'll be another time. He's gonna try his little mini, his junior stretcher here first. And you know what? Hopefully as you stretch all that, our registers will still fit. Because it's going to be right on the edge.
Fix it. It don't matter. I can fix it.
How would you fix that?
I'll have to show you when we get to it.
Oh, he's got some trick. Here, this is his junior power stretcher. You saw that in the other video if you were watching how to fix the stairs and how to fix the...
Look already how much?
Yeah, wow.
That's a lot.
Yeah, see how much he stretched it.
That represents a lot.
He stretched it there. He's doing this
See
first.
the action back? Go to that side of the room, Joe, with the camera. See how the bubbles look. You can see them from that end better.
Yeah.
Huh?
Well, I still see it. I still see it right here, obviously.
How
But
about right here behind me?
right behind you. Oh, I'm seeing lines, but this is the seam. Actually, you know what? Okay, hold up for a second. It looks like it's separating a little bit from where the seam is. See right through here?
Yep, that's gonna be okay. That's because we're pulling on it so tight.
I know.
And just like those loops being contorted, it'll relax and go all back.
Okay.
I'll roll it with the roller.
Yeah, okay.
It's not
Yeah, all right.
coming apart though.
That's to say, hopefully whoever installed this carpet initially, they put a nice fat seam piece on there. It's pretty wide, and they install it with hot glue. They put it between their seams, and then they run it on there and let it dry before they stretch it. So see, he's trying everything with this power stretcher. He had a bigger one here. See this big one here? And it comes with extension poles, and he's got those out in the car. He thought if he has to use that, he will. And then see, this is the end piece that you put on the very end of your power stretcher, and you put that up against the baseboard. This type doesn't have a hook like he's got here. He's trying this first. I think he's thinking this is going to be all he needs. What do you think?
Well, I'm hoping, Joe, this is what we need.
Wow. And here I thought you were going to need that whole power stretcher, but you know what? You get something. You can only stretch carpets so much before you start probably messing up the back, or if he were to stretch this anymore, he could have a possibility of pulling these seams apart. That's what I'm thinking.
Yep, you could rip the seam.
You know, I mean, this carpet is like 17 years old. You go too far and you rip something, then you've got an issue with that. How are you going to fix that? Because you stretch it too much. Oh, and see this one here, he's probably going to have to use his Bloody Mary and cut right through that instead of how he did it the last time when he did his repairs around the doors upstairs. I got a video of that too, where he fixed some puckers right at some door openings between tile, floor, and carpet.